Hey everybody, welcome back to Nailed or Failed Reviews. Have you been wondering why you don't have the Microsoft Store on your computer? If you come into the Windows key and you start typing in Windows Apps or even just Store, you should always get the Microsoft Windows Store to pop up so that you can download different apps to help you run different programs. Today we're going to talk about why this might be happening and a few ways to fix it. Let's get to it right now on Nailed or Failed Reviews. Hey everybody, thanks again for joining us today on Nailed or Failed Reviews. We're doing a screen share because we're on the road and ran into a kind of a big issue here. And doing some research, it seems that this is a bigger issue than probably a lot of people realize. And that has to do with accessing the Microsoft Store if you uninstalled a bunch of apps when you got a new computer. So let's talk about the issue. So number one is the hardware we're using right now. We're using a GE76 MSI laptop. This is from Costco. We picked this up at the end of 2021. And of course, these computers come loaded with a ton of different programs. And the first thing you do when you get new computers, especially laptop, is you go and uninstall anything that you don't recognize. You get rid of all that bloatware they put on these things that takes up space, and then you go on your merry way. Well, I did that, of course, and one of the things I uninstalled was the Xbox apps that you see down here. I knew I wasn't going to play any games or do anything like that with Xbox, so I uninstalled all that. Well, we didn't find out that until later on when we were trying to, like I said, we're on the road right now, and I'm trying to open these WebP image files with the native Microsoft Photos app. You can see when I right click on these that it doesn't give me the option to install this or to use that program. So of course you just say choose another app and then come in here and look for an app on here. But because we're using Windows Home, which I think is also part of the problem here, we have a bunch of permissions that are already set from the factory restricting us access into these system folders. And I've already gone in here and messed around with the security settings to give myself permissions, but it won't allow me to do it for some reason. So if you can't get that to work, the next thing you can do is you right click on whatever file you're trying to deal with and you say search the Microsoft Store. Because what this can do is it can actually suggest the app that you want to use. You click on it and then that will hopefully be in the right click menu when you go to open with. Now it's not doing it here because when I click on search the Microsoft Store, we get a new error. It says there is no app to open the Microsoft Store. So what this is telling you right off the bat is that the Microsoft Store does not exist for your computer to actually open. Okay, you're saying, well, it's built into Windows. Where is it? Well, the first thing you're going to probably do is start searching the internet like I did for how to reinstall the Microsoft Store. First information I found was the information in the Microsoft forums, and they tell you to run this command within the PowerShell. So if we come into PowerShell, we run this as administrator, and we run this command that is basically telling the computer to reinstall the Windows Store app package. But you can see here nothing is happening. Okay, when you do this, it should run some lines of command through here that would be showing you it's reinstalling the package, and then you want to restart and it should be there. But unfortunately, this is also telling us that this Windows Store app package is not on the computer. So how do we confirm this even further? Well, the other information I found when I did some research had to do with that Xbox program that I mentioned earlier. Now it said, I forget where it was, but I found a forum where it said this guy reinstalled the Xbox program and it gave him access to reinstall the Microsoft Windows Store. Now, I was trying to find, okay, well, where is the download file or the install file for Xbox program? Well, you can't find one, just like you can't find one for the Windows Store. So what do? Well, I found another video from a user called SoftBay. We'll have this link for you on the article at nailedorfailedreviews.com. But basically, inside of this video, he's telling you how to, again, use the PowerShell to reinstall the Microsoft Windows Store package. Okay, and that's what you see here in this screenshot right now. Is he's searched for the Microsoft Windows Store. He's found the package here, and he's showing you how to reinstall it in this video. So again, we'll have this link and these commands on the article at nailedorfieldreviews.com to help you out here. But again, he's doing this for the Microsoft Store, which we cannot access the package right now. So we're trying to reconfirm this because of these other errors that we've already seen. So what you can do here is you want to run this number 3 command, get app package for all users. So we'll copy this, come back into PowerShell, run this as administrator, paste that command, and it's going to tell us all of the pre-installed, I believe what this is showing us is all the pre-installed app packages on the computer. So now we want to come in here, and you can remember he was looking for Microsoft.Windows Store. Right click or click up here so you're on top of all your code. Then you right click the bar, go to find, type in Microsoft.Windows Store, and we can't find anything. Okay, so that's saying it's not there. You can manually scroll through all this and search for it, but you're probably not going to find it. So now we go back to the information about the Xbox information we found. You know, reinstalling the Xbox package might give you access to Windows Store install package. So again, we're inside of PowerShell, and we're going to search on a hope and a whim that doing something with Xbox will help us out here. Okay, so now we're going to come back in here and we're going to search for the main Xbox app program. You're going to find a bunch of them in here because it installs a handful of them, but you're looking for this one right here, this Microsoft.Xbox app. This is the main one. And what we want is we want this package full name, because again, in this video, he is telling you how to reinstall the Microsoft Windows Store via the Microsoft Windows package full name right here. But we don't have that. So we're going to be doing it with the Xbox package full name. So highlight this, right click on the bar again, and copy that name because we want that for later. Go back to the bottom of the PowerShell, and now we want to move on to these steps 3 through 6. The first one you want to run, now that we have the package name, is number 3, the reinstall. So we're going to copy this, and I want to show you this because I'm sure a lot of users will overlook this functionality here, but inside of the PowerShell, here's some text he wants you to replace with that package name. But if we just hit Control V, you can see that it still left the text that we wanted to replace. So inside of PowerShell, you actually have to come in here and tell it to, or you got to use your backspace on the keyboard to delete that text, and then you can paste in the package name, the install name, package full name, just like you see there. You'll hit enter, that'll run some lines here. Then you'll do the same thing for command number 4. You'll have to arrow over and replace and delete package full name and the stars, and insert that Xbox name. Run that, and then you'll also do it again for the item number 6 here, and it'll run all these lines. Then you'll restart your computer, and when you restart, you'll see that the Xbox program is back on your computer. You'll see that it says it needs a few things, and to fix them, and open settings. And here we go. Microsoft Store is missing, and we have the option to reinstall it. So this is where we left off. We wanted to stop and on our progress and actually get this on video to show you what happens and if this is going to solve the Microsoft Store problem from missing from our computer. So let's see what happens. All right, so moment of truth here. We're going to click on install the Microsoft Store and see what it does. So not showing any install progress, but seems to be installing. Okay, and so now you see, now it says Microsoft Store just got installed. Check it out. So we'll launch it and see what happens. And there we go. So now we're back in here. So now if we go to the Windows key and we type in, and there it is, Microsoft Store. So we've got it back, and again, it looks like that the main issue is that when you get a new computer, if you come in here and you uninstall the Xbox apps / programs from the original Windows installation that comes installed on your computer, you possibly will lose access to the Microsoft Store. Again, this has no rhyme or reason. I don't know why the Microsoft Store and the Xbox apps would be connected in such a way that one would allow the installer to be used, but that's how it works. Like if you like, subscribe, check out the other videos. Thanks for watching Nailed or Failed Reviews.